How's it going? We're going to talk about the U.S. government shutdown, its impact on you and your crypto. The U.S. government shutdown expected to end this week. We're going to jump into this, and I'm going to give you some key dates and times that you need to know about in this video so that you are in the know and you can know how this is going to impact your crypto. Right now, crypto is down just shy of 2%. You can see everything pretty much in the 24-hour and the 1 hour is in the red. XRP's turned back down 4%. Ethereum down just shy of 2%. Ethereum was 2%. So forth. Solana down to 3+%. Okay, so I think this is the profit taking and kind of sell the event kind of thing, right? We've had the run up a little bit and now we have the sell the event. So here's what we got going on. The Senate last night, Monday evening, approved the deal to end the government shutdown, longest ever, right? The House is set to vote next, and the vote in the Senate was 60-40. Okay, we had 8 members of the Democratic Senate caucus and the Republicans basically sign off on a deal. It's right there that show you continuing resolution now heads the House of Representatives, which is expected to take it up on Wednesday following Veterans Day holiday. Today, Tuesday here in the United States is Veterans Day. So we are expected and should get a vote on this Wednesday. The bill is expected to have enough votes in the House for passage. Okay, so there you go. It looks like we could see this thing resolved heading into tomorrow, Wednesday, as they vote on this. Now, I'm going to remind you that the current bill in its form only reopens the government through January. And, there's a lot of moving parts around that, but just giving you that little bit of information as well. So we may be back here in one way or the other in January if we don't get this thing, moving forward and resolved. It has 100% had an impact on crypto. I think keeping a lot of uncertainty in the market, and that's really what it is. The SEC shut down, so we've had all of the XRP spot ETFs have been delayed as far as kind of getting those approved, things of that nature. So, and again, it's impacting travel, SNAP benefits. I mean, this thing has gone on long enough. So we need to get this resolved and get this put to bed so we can kind of get back to making the crypto market in this case move, right? And that's really what we're here to talk about. Okay, so. Yeah, so I think if we can get that resolved, take some uncertainty off the table, I think we're good to go. Okay, so like I said, every major asset looking on the 24-hour pretty much, looking great. And you can see even on the 7-day, not a lot of gains. XRP is kind of the standout right there at up 8+%. Dogecoin, wow, I had looked at Dogecoin a while, it's up 9%, and my Dogecoin's doing okay. But not a lot of massive gains. Zcash is the kind of the winner in the proverbial clubhouse. Litecoin looking pretty decent there as well. Zcash, I got a chart here to show you this. Look at this. In the last 81 days, that's a buy right there. It's up over $1,500. $1,000 of Zcash bought here back on this buy alert coming in from my trading indicator, you would have already made over $15,000 in profit. That's not a bad 81 days at the office, right? About, a little over in just, just a little over 2 months. Don't do math in public. So that looks pretty good. Dash, another optional privacy play, buy here, sell there. Look, 39 days, just shy 500+%. Looking at ICP as an example, buy here, sell here. Just recent run up, 9 days, 186%. That's how the software works. It tells you when to buy, when to sell. So if you're interested, there's a link in the description below, right down below this video. If you're watching on X, the link below this video as well. Quarterly plan is the cheapest on a per day basis with a discount code down there with that link. Use that discount code SP1 at checkout and you get a massive discount. And there's a 30-day money back guarantee. Look, you came here, you're in crypto to make money, right? That's what you're after. Well, how would you like to caught Zcash before it ever took off? How would you like to have caught Dash before it ever took off and did just shy 500%, 1,546%? Okay. By the way, there's no sell alert yet, right? So it says still a good time to own Zcash. ICP, 9 days, 186%, tells you when to buy and sell. If you're not using technology of some kind, you're flying blind. You're not giving yourself an added advantage, and the market is about to take off and go crazy. Okay, so how'd you like to catch every crypto you like it, maybe buy even more? You can, where it'll tell you when to buy and then tell you where to sell, just like looking at ICP. Buy here, sell here. That's how it works, okay? It's as simple as that. It runs on an iPhone, it runs on an Android, it runs on a computer. You can use it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, anywhere you want. I have live coaching, live training to help you 3 times a week in the members area. Yeah, live training. Okay, so I'm spending a lot of money to ensure that you are successful. And I have people, everything from teenagers to grandmas and grandpas. Yep, using this. Okay, so give it a look, give it a try. Remember, you got that 30-day, no questions asked money back guarantee. So what does that mean? You really get to try it for free, because if you don't like it for any reason, doesn't work for you, whatever, not a fit for you, whatever, then, you can cancel and get a refund. So you have zero risk in this. All right, so links right down there. I'll see you. Have a good one. Bye.